You must understand, world famous Saint Bernard, that you are controlled by the cookie. Don't ever think that just because you have the farce, that the cookie will come to you, because it will not. Well, maybe. I am glad that you've learned to float cookies in your vodka day. Oh, you're looking a little high there, St. Bernard. Anyway. Cookie. Holy shit, world famous border collie. Hang on. Boom. Okay, we just had to save our own lives. Now world famous St. Bernard. Tell everybody what it means to have the cookie. And by the way, guys, the bone's here. So, oh, there's the bone. I gotta go. Bye.